Ever tried accessing a file in Linux and got hit with permission denied? What if I told you the problem isn't permissions, it's ownership? In this video, you will master the chown command in just a few minutes. Chown stands for change ownership. It allows you to change the owner and group of a file or directory. In Linux, every file belongs to someone. If you don't own it, you may not control it. This is critical for security, multi-user system, servers and websites. Here's the basic syntax: type chown, then the username, then the file name. This changes the owner of the file.txt to user John. You can also change both owner and group at the same time. Now John is the owner and developers is the group. Want to change ownership of an entire directory? Use the -r flag. This applies changes to all files inside the folder. Here's the cybersecurity tip. Wrong ownership can lead to serious vulnerabilities. For example, if a web server owns sensitive files incorrectly, attackers might exploit them. Common mistakes to avoid: forgetting sudo, using wrong username, applying recursive changes blindly. Let's recap. Chown changes ownership, use user or user group, add -r for directories. Be careful, it impacts security. If you are learning Linux and cybersecurity, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.